Question number 19. Solve an expression using Boolean algebra. So over here I have an expression n plus not nm times not n plus nm plus nm. So the first thing I can do with an expression like this is to multiply it out. So I'm gonna multiply this term with this term, and this term with this term, and then I'm gonna go and get this one and this one. So what I will have is I will have n n n and not n plus n n m plus not n m not n, and the last one is not n m n m, and all of that is multiplied by the last parenthesis n plus m. Before we start multiplying it out again, I need to simplify this a little bit. So first I have n and not n. N and not n is always false, so this is 0. Over here I have n and m. N and n is just and. So this term turns into nm. Now next term I also have a similar situation where I have not n, m, not n. Not n and not n is just not n. So this term turns into not n, m. And this term, in this term I have not and again. So that means this entire term will turn into a 0. So now that I have simplified that a little bit, I'm going to rewrite this. So I have nm, because this term has died. And then I have not n, m, and this term has died, times n plus m. I can simplify these terms a little further. I can take out m outside the parentheses inside this first parenthesis over here. So that would be m n plus not n. Times n plus m. Well, n plus not n is always true, therefore this term is just 1. So this entire term turns into m times 1 times n plus m. So next I'm going to multiply this out. I have m n plus m. I'm going to multiply m to both terms. And I will end up with mn we'll have m times m plus m n. Well, this is just m. Once again, so this is m plus mn. And this can be simplified further. I can take out m outside of the parentheses now, and I will have 1 plus n. And 1 plus n is always 1. So the final expression is just m.